Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add to cart button in your Shopify store. And to do this, you will have to go to your theme right there. First of all, of course, check if you have the collections page because you want it to put to your collections page. Um, and then you're gonna go to your online store themes and you're gonna click these three dots and you're gonna edit the code. Now here on filter files, you have to find the product card, I believe. That should be called like so. Card product liquid. This is the one. And here you want to put in the code. For today's video, I'm just going to show you a simple code which I found on Shopify community like solutions. So this will be a really simple one, but you can find a lot of codes online which would suit you. So now let's paste this code here and then you're gonna save it. And let's now preview. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's really simple one, so I don't really like it myself, but yeah, that's how it works. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.